Hey guys, today we'll be cooking lamb kabsa rice in a Philips pressure cooker. First, season the lamb with 3 tablespoons of kabsa seasoning. Cube onions, tomatoes and carrots for sautéing. Coriander for the rice, ingredients for the chili, and ingredients for the salad. Today we're cooking with some ghee. Now that the lamb is ready and the cubes are done, we are going to saute in the PPC. More ghee. Scrape off the ghee from your ladle. More ghee from the spoon and watch it saute. Join the 4 friends. 4 sekawan. I don't know their names, but go in the cooker and die. But aren't they already dead? Well, anyway, saute with ghee until it's fragrant. Saute or sear in the PPC. Hey, faster, clear. Okay. Lift up your ladle if you have nothing to do. Insert the cubes. Make sure you get all of them in. Then saute lah. Use the ladle, saute. Got something to do now, right? Add in the seasoned lamb and saute it with all the cubed vegetables. Now the lamb can make friends with the 4 sekawan and now become 5 sekawan. Fill the bowl with the same amount of water as the lamb. Saute the meat until it's golden brown with the vegetables. Once it's sauteed, add in the water and drown the 5 kawan. Make sure that you press it all down and the water is over all the meat and vegetables. Now it's ready for pressure cooker time. Close the lid. Select meat or lamb for 30 minutes and we're good to go. Press start. Gentlemen, start your engines. Now onwards to the Arabic salad. Chop your carrots into cubes. Chop your cucumber into cubes. No, with lengths, then cubes. Oh, don't mind the mess. Put it in a bowl. Now for the onions, cut it as slim and thin as possible. And then cut it into very fine. Make sure you don't cut it thin. Chop them as fine as possible because when you have the salad, it's very tangy. Tomato time! Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. In cubes. Now for the smelly veg. Chop them as fine as you like or as coarse as you like. Sugar, lemon, and a bit of salt and vinegar for the vinaigrette. When life gives you lemons, use a fork. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Notice it's more than a tablespoon because it's brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Notice that, no, just kidding. Yeah. And add a tablespoon of olive oil. Once you've done that, make sure you stir until all the salt and sugar is grinded down and time to add it to the salad. Quick look at the recipe book. Now onwards to the salata sauce. 1 big onion, 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 5 chili padi, 1 PPC that is still pressure cooking, and some lemons to get the tangy flavor. Tangy. 1 tablespoon of salt. 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 corianders with the roots. This one didn't come with the root. And then set to blend, and then finally once it's all blended, you can add the lemon juice of 1 lemon or however much that you like until it's sour. You should get a very nice green and red color to your sauce salad. Now we have the lemon going in and a quick blend, And we're all done. Open sesame. Make sure you don't get the steam on your hands or your face. Now the moment of truth. Oily land. So I couldn't wait till sahur. Next steps was to steam the basmati rice for 7 minutes and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.